Welcome to a literary analysis of The Masque of the Red Death by Edgar Allan Poe. Edgar Allan Poe's The Masque of the Red Death is a dark allegory that explores humanity's futile attempt to escape death. It emphasizes that we as humans have little to no control of our fate. The story centers on Prince Prospero, a wealthy nobleman who isolates himself and a select group of noblemen in a luxurious castle to escape a deadly plague ravaging the land, known as the Red Death. Poe uses this setting and the events that unfold to critique both the arrogance of the privileged class and the inevitability of death. The masquerade, filled with grandeur and distraction, becomes a metaphor for denial, an attempt to mask the horror of mortality with decadence and illusion. Poe emphasizes the inescapable nature of death throughout the use of the castle. Though fortified and sealed, it becomes a prison rather than a refuge. The progression of guests through the series of 7 colored rooms reflects the passage of life itself, from birth to death. The 7th room, decorated in black and lit by a red window, serves as the symbolic and literal endpoint, evoking death and blood. The chiming of the great ebony clock in this final chamber disrupts the festivities every hour, reminding the guests and the reader of the passing of time. Ultimately, the arrival of the Red Death at the masquerade and the death of every guest within the abbey reinforces Poe's central message. No amount of wealth, power, or denial can prevent the final confrontation with mortality. Through rich symbolism and Gothic imagery, Poe crafts a haunting meditation on death as the great equalizer.